code doesn't announce itself up front. It reveals itself when you try to change it. That's exactly what solid principles prevent. Start with single responsibility. Each class should have one reason to change. A user class shouldn't handle database logic and email notifications. When you need to switch databases, you shouldn't risk breaking email. Open/closed means your code is open for extension but closed for modification. You add new behavior by creating new classes, not by editing existing ones. This prevents cascading bugs when requirements evolve. Here's a violation in action. This report generator handles data fetching, formatting, and exporting. Need to add PDF export? You're editing a class that also touches database queries. One typo and your CSV export breaks? That's the maintenance nightmare Solid prevents. When responsibilities are tangled, every change becomes risky. Solid principles directly reduce coupling. Low coupling means classes depend on abstractions, not concrete implementations. This makes unit testing trivial because you can mock dependencies. Without Solid, tests require database connections, file systems, and external services just to verify basic logic. 3 more principles complete the foundation. Liskov Substitution says subclasses must be usable wherever their parent is expected, no surprises. Interface segregation means clients shouldn't depend on methods they don't use. A print-only client shouldn't implement a scan method. Dependency inversion flips the script. High-level modules depend on abstractions, not low-level details. Your business logic imports an interface, not a specific database driver. This makes swapping implementations painless. Solid principles make code maintainable by isolating change, reducing dependencies, and ensuring flexible design. Master these, and your code survives years of feature requests without collapsing. Now go practice applying them to real code bases. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.